mirror on the wall, who's the greatest of them all? Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the greatest of them all? Mirror this, self-made man under right condition, cushioned by an impressive system. From beggars top to top, like-minded people, you found yourself amongst your equals. Lest we not forget those who came before. Like before, we can still taste the blood in the ocean. Those who set things in motion. It was easy, copy and paste, perpetuate their hate like your other brothers. Both the Heretok and the rest of the bond. When I look at you, what do I see? I see no rainbows, not even the gray in between. I see a man who was created to be great. So it is to be expected that your greatness be protected by the same institution and property from black pain and separation still is. You were force-fed disdain before you left your mother's house. You're destined to reign. Dead, you're still alive in my present. I see your name every day. Mbonge Ngema, who's that exactly? Not even 1994 will bury you in the deep dark corners of our history. Hark, hark the herald angels sing. A new king is born from Yam and Rivik sing. Will entire nations sing of your praises? Will their tongues vibrate with joyous celebration? Or will their eyes glitter with voluptuous bliss when they finally see you through this mirror? Oh, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the greatest of them all? If only mirrors could speak, but they don't. They're just there to remind us that we are all equal, but some more equal than others.